Did you know that India now proudly holds 43 UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Among them, 35 are cultural, 7 are natural, and 1 is a mixed site, a number that not only fills us with pride but also reflects India's growing global recognition as a guardian of rich heritage and history. With this achievement, India has joined the elite group of top 10 countries worldwide that boast more than 40 World Heritage Sites. Surprisingly, the country leading this global list isn't the USA or China, it's Italy, which has the highest number of UNESCO-listed sites. As of now, UNESCO has recognized more than 1,223 World Heritage Sites across the world. But India's story is unique. Our heritage isn't just locked in ancient structures, it's a living, breathing testimony to our civilization. These sites are not just monuments, they are cultural legacies that shape our identity on the world stage. Over the last decade, India's cultural diplomacy and rising soft power have brought many of our treasures into global spotlight. In fact, over 12 Indian sites have received UNESCO recognition in the past 10 years alone. One of the most recent additions, in 2023, was the Moidams of Assam, ancient burial mounds of the Ahom dynasty, which became India's 43rd World Heritage Site. This recognition wasn't just for their structure, but for the deep cultural and historical significance they carry. Some of the prominent World Heritage Sites of India include the historic city of Jaipur, Kangchenjunga National Park, Ani Ki Vav, the Western Ghats, Dholavira Kakatiya Rudreshwara Temple, Great Himalayan National Park. When UNESCO designates a site as a World Heritage Site, it does much more than raise its profile. It brings international support for conservation, protection, and promotion. It also boosts tourism, which in turn fuels the local economy and benefits communities. This global recognition has helped India rise to 6th place worldwide in terms of the number of World Heritage properties, a testament to our rich and diverse legacy. Now, let's spotlight 2 exceptional Indian sites that have earned rare distinctions. Ahmedabad. In 2017, it became India's first World Heritage City. Here, timeless Islamic architecture coexists with modern marvels like the Atal Bridge, showing how history and progress can beautifully intertwine. Pragpur village, tucked in Himachal Pradesh's Kangra district, this is India's first World Heritage village. Despite being a small settlement, Pragpur's deep cultural roots and architectural charm earned it this rare honor. And if you're curious to know which state leads in the number of World Heritage Sites, it's Maharashtra, home to 5 incredible sites, including the world-renowned Ajanta and Ellora caves. So the next time you visit iconic places like the Taj Mahal, Dholavira, or Ajanta caves, take a moment to appreciate the depth of history beneath your feet. You're not just witnessing Indian heritage, you're experiencing a legacy that belongs to all of humanity. Preserving these treasures is not just a government responsibility, it's a shared duty for all of us. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay connected with DKD Education, where knowledge meets identity and every story adds to your understanding.